Hi there, welcome to my channel, and welcome to how to remove a rear door panel of a F01 F02 series 2008 to 2015. They're all the same IIL. So before we begin, turn on the ignition and basically slide them open so that they won't be in your way once we get the panels off. Alright, so we got the door panel right here and the wood veneer. Underneath there is a little plug right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's right there at my nail. That needs to come out in order for the wood trim to come off. So usually what I use is a very small, thin screwdriver, as you can see, and then just a pair of small pliers. So we'll go ahead and I'll position the camera so you guys can watch. Alright, I got you guys zoomed in quite well, so I hope you guys can see that. Basically take the screwdriver or the little pointy tool, basically pry it in. It actually comes out just a little bit. There you go. Then you take your pair of pliers. There you go. So I will now zoom out. There you go. That is the little pin that comes out right there. So that's what you need to get out, and then we can start pulling. Alright, so now the wood needs to come off. Unfortunately, I forgot my plastic pry tool kits and that sort of stuff, so I will just use a small piece of tape right there, and I will take a normal flat blade screwdriver, basically pop it underneath the wood, and then put your finger behind it. That's all you will need a screwdriver for anyway, so just to make sure that you don't damage anything. And then I know this is gonna hurt, but there you go. You need to pull and separate it, and then the wood comes off. So what you have left then are two T30s right there and there. So we're gonna undo those. I'll put you guys back. There we go. I need a larger tripod anyway, but for the time being, it works. So both T30s are out. That's basically all you need to do before you start pulling. But if you have the rear shades, and a lot of cars have it, you can't pull the door panel because you will actually rip the whole shade off, and that is something that you probably do not want. So on the top here, there's a very small notch that you can actually pull. See, there you go, and then pull it down until it pries off. There you go. Now you see that there's nothing holding it back. So next step is start pulling. So this will give you guys a different view, and then basically you start pulling. You can use a panel removal tool to start somewhere. I got strong fingers, so I usually just start somewhere here, put my fingers behind it, and there you go, it pops. And then just follow the door panel with your fingers all around until it basically is unclipped everywhere. Then to remove this part, not remove, but to take the panel off, just gently pull and lift up, as you can see, and then you got your door panel off. Now if you want to take it off, there's a certain amount of plugs. It's all relatively self-explanatory, so you guys can actually get it off. Just pull all the plugs, take all the wires off, The only thing that you have to do is there's a hinge here for the door control. Just gently push down and unhook it. That's it. And for the rest, just take all the connections off. So I'll do that then. If you have the fiber optic lighting, by the way, I wouldn't unplug it. I would just swivel it just a little 45 degrees, and then it will actually come off. So now the door panel's off. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more F01 F02 how-to videos, please subscribe to my channel. Any questions, put them in the comment below. Thank you very much.